This video is how to fix a charging port on a Super 73 Pro 500 battery. So today we're going to try and fix this port for a Super 73 battery. It got messed up and they won't warranty replace it, so we're gonna try and fix it. Right here we've got the replacement port. This is from a company called Backfire boards. It should be plug and play. So first we need a 2.5 Allen wrench. So anytime you're dealing with batteries, it can be very dangerous. So this isn't recommended. Also, this will void a warranty. So this is just for demonstration purposes only. Don't try this at home. There are 10 screws. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. They're all 2.5 Allen. And then once those are out, you can carefully pop this open. There's a gasket that runs around here that you got to be careful of. And then this right here is our plug that we're going to be swapping out. And then it's right here. So we're going to have to remove that and then plug that in there to replace the port. It's kind of hard to get in here, but I scraped away this stuff. And then now I'm at this little nut here, just like the one on here. And that's got to come off in order for us to get our old one out of there. So this, I couldn't fit a wrench in here because it's so tight. If you can fit a wrench in, it's a 13 millimeter. But I ended up just turning it with my Leatherman. And now that it's off, we can just push it and pull it out. And it should be able to come out the other side. Here's our old plug. We're going to be replacing it with this new plug. And if you notice, there's only 2 wires going in. It doesn't use the third one. Problem is, on this one we can't tell. I can move that away and figure it out, but this is toast, so that's why we're putting this new one in. Here's this thing. I'm gonna shove it through here. I'm gonna carefully pull this up through here. I'm gonna slide this down. And then we're gonna try and tighten it on once we get it in all the way. This nut was hard to get off, and it's also hard to put back on. I was using my finger to get it started and then using a pencil eraser to get it cinched up. I just used that pencil eraser to get it cinched up, and then this isn't ideal, but I just used the needle nose pliers on my Leatherman to get it tighter. So if you look, now it's tightened up. I just can't fit the wrench in there. If you may have a slim wrench that might fit, but mine are not fitting, so that's what I did. Now we should be able to just plug everything back together and screw it together, and it should be able to charge. Gotta be careful. Make sure that the gasket's in place and that you don't pinch any wires or have them in the way of the screws when you're putting this back together. Okay, now to avoid wrecking the plug like this one, you want to make sure that the arrow on the charger is lined up with this dot right here. So I'm going to carefully line that up, and let's look at the charger while we do it. It's a green light on the charger now. Can you see that?
Yeah.
And now let's see if it starts charging. There we go. It's turned red, so that means that it's charging our battery. So instead of having to buy a whole new battery for over $500, we were able to fix it with I think this was about a $17 part. So again, this is for demonstration purposes only. If you open this battery, you will void the warranty, and also do so at your own risk because batteries are very dangerous. There you have it. It's charging again, so that's good.